New feature that Google just added to the Notebook LM. I've selected all 187 sources. Selecting a quiz. I've already run one here. Let's see what we can do. According to the provided text, what's the primary purpose of developing specialized AI optimized dialects? Let's see. Oh, so when I hit explain, it'll prompt that, and then I can, according to the provided text, what's the primary purpose of developing specialized AIO dialects? Answer was incorrect. And then it will give me a much more detailed explanation. AIO is something I invented, so this is a chance for me to understand my own content even better. Okay, I get that. What does the principle of strategic inaction emphasize in the context of trading psychology? Straightforward. What's the relationship between pseudo-lang and vibe coding? Now, if I wanted to change the focus of these, I could go through all 187 sources and select just the ones I wanted to be quizzed on, which is darn powerful. That's this one. Pseudo-lang facilitates vibe coding by offering a structured pseudocode-like syntax for large language models. It's the primary function of the Sherpa protocol in the context of AI-assisted professional work. Complex synthesis, check for ethical compliance, generate individual focused areas of excellence on a single topic. To create a personalized AI persona based on the user's preferred mentors. Wow. I could see C or D because the Sherpa is excellent in certain areas, but I'm going to say this one. Oh, man! To merge independent chunks of work into a complex synthesis like an integrated plan. Uses the metaphor of a Sherpa guiding someone from a base camp to a peak, which is a comprehensive synthesis. Okay, I will accept that answer. One of the sources describes a technique for managing stressful emotions that involves 3 steps. What's the first step in that process? Labeling. Name it. Key feature of asymmetric trading. You want an asymmetrical performance curve based on your wins versus your losses. Magnitude of winning trades is substantially larger than the magnitude of losing trades. That means you are letting your winners run. Okay, I'll accept that. According to the research on AI and math, which of the following is the main cluster of research focused? Oof. I'm thinking it's teacher certification. Oh, no, not quite. It's not listed as one of the 3 primaries. The right answer is AI-based learning systems is one of the 3 main clusters focusing on the application of AI technologies to improve. Okay, so having an AI mathematics educate, the AI tool should be focused strictly on the math in order to get expertise. Okay, I will accept that. The technological pedagogy content knowledge framework is presented as a central model for what purpose? Teacher certification, yep. Widely recognized model for understanding teacher competencies related to technology integration. I better get that one right. All right. What is the coaching eye? AI-powered tool? No. The ability to step back, gain psychological distance, make more effective professional decisions. Yeah. Not a technical indicator. Mentorship program where junior traders are paired with senior coaches. That's a feature of our coaching, but it's really learning to do this. Yeah, I better get that right. What core idea is shared by AIO style, pseudo-lang, vibe coding, and story thinking, leading to the description of them as a convergent evolution? Whew, this thing is not playing around. The drive for more natural and effective human AI communication and cloud. That's true. The goal of standardizing a single universal AI dialect? No, because you want dialects to flourish off a common galactic standard. The need to replace traditional programming with pure natural language. There's not a need. No, we're not trying to replace it. We're trying to augment it, advise, and extend. Focus on creating AI that can pass a Turing test. No, I'm going to say this one. Natural and more natural and effective partnering through all of those versions of styles of thinking. Okay, I like this. Man, this is a powerful tool, I got to tell you. Oh, and how many of these can you generate? Infinite. A trader who thinks in batches of 20 trades rather than single events is primarily training which mental pattern? Detaching emotionally and focusing on repeatable process. Detaching from the outcome of any single trade. Yep. Find a perfect trading system that never has a losing trade. That's crazy. To increase the frequency of trading to maximize profit. No. To simplify record keeping by only logging trades in groups of 20. No, because you're actually still doing individual trade record keeping so you can analyze for patterns and individual trade performance. But so this is A. Yeah. Getting better. Next. What's the key benefit of maintaining a detailed trade log and regularly reviewing past trades? To satisfy regulatory? Yeah, but not the only reason. To guarantee that future trades will be profitable. That's dreaming. To build a portfolio of successful trades to show to potential investors. No, although that is a thing. To identify patterns, weaknesses, and areas for improvement in one's trading. For sure, it's the learning. How are educational AI chatbots expected to move beyond the role of virtual advisors? Oof. Creating the entire curriculum for introductory courses without human? No. Replacing the learning management system entirely? No. Grading all forms of student assignment? No. By taking on the role of vertical tutors that converse individually with each student? I'm going to say that. Yeah. The source indicates a trend where chatbots engage in face-to-face style conversations to better understand and address individual student problems. Yeah. 14. In the context of story thinking, how does rewriting existing organizational narratives create change? Change the story, change the future. It proves that the past strategies were factually correct? Nope. Provides a historical record of all decisions made? Nope. Serves as a marketing tool? Nope. It helps professionals discover and unlock new approaches by challenging their hidden assumptions, for sure. According to one of the audio transcripts from our coaching, why should a trader sometimes adopt a mindset where they don't know the future outcome of a trade? Yeah, to cultivate deep humility and focus on executing a process. This is when you're doing replays of trades and you don't know which one you're looking at, and you're blocking the future pathway so that you are genuinely in the moment doing bar by bar trading. That's the one we want right there. So I'll take that. Now let's see what we got. Okay. Review quiz and retake quiz. Review quiz. Oh man, is that any good? Now we'll go all the way through. I'm not going to repeat that, but you can see the power of this, I hope. You get this with the coaching program, even the passive coaching over the shoulder. And